Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to pin and unpin posts on Instagram, a great way to highlight your best content right at the top of your profile. So start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now scroll through your post and tap on the one you want to pin. For now, I'll choose this one. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Scroll down and tap on Pin to your main grid button. This post is now pinned. It will appear at the very top of your feed with a small pin icon. To unpin a post, simply go to the pinned post again. Tap the three dots, scroll down and select Unpin from main grid. It will now go back to its original position in your feed. You can pin up to 3 posts or reels, so choose your best content to showcase your brand or personality. And yes, that's it. Super easy way to keep your content front and center. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more quick social media tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.